What's up guys, today we're gonna play build a tractor. I saw Fulton play one and I want to try it. I want to give it a go. And this is my track. Wait, I promise I have it. I have not played. Wait. Oh yeah, I have played a little of this game, but let's get ready. Here we go. Okay. That is, to be honest, it's super satisfying. Cutting grass. Have you guys ever cut a grass in your backyard? Let me know. Yeah, how can we go back? I just died. Okay, pretty missions. Let's see what do we have in the shop. Yeah, we need fuel definitely, and only one block. I don't know what. Wait, how to? Wait. How to build or delete? Oh, delete there. What? Oh. Wait, let me fix it. Oh my gosh, I just wasted a whole minute. Well, I didn't realize this thing, that little thing. Let me just clear all. Yep. Thank you. Let me build it up, bruh. Sorry if my channel sucks like a Timo ad. But, wait. Oh my. What? I make it worse. Nah, I am not letting it slide. Delete it all. Okay, okay. I know. I'm making a snake. Place. Boppity. Bop. Yes. A seat there. A stretcher. Whatever it's called. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a best tractor you ever seen from Harry Potter. Fire wheel for some reason. Alright, bet. Let me just place it all in one wheel. Oh no, it's gonna be off-centered. Nah, leave it. In the end, I'm gonna make the best tractor you ever seen on the earth. Probably not. In place. Yes. Ooh, check it out. Check it out. The best. Let me see if I'm recording. Yep. But check it out, bro. Check it out. Check it out. Now I'm gonna go to the end. But I keep forgetting that. What the hell? Okay. Cutting some grass. Oh my, wait. I got 100 grass. For some reason. Cut there. Just cut the whole grass off. I wonder what my. Wait. No. Please have family. I have a family. But I just wonder, what is this? Yo, wait. Oh, but this cost a lot. Okay. I have $68. Now I could buy a wheel. Why not? And another block. Now we have this beautiful car, Timo car Ultra. Now I wonder. Wait, what? Okay, let me just complete. Craft, nah. Okay, I can try with that. Play with friend. I don't have a friend. My friend, he's not been online since a long time. Yes, cut it off, cut it off. I have my cousin, but he's not online. Just cut. Oh, look, straight line. 6 7. Okay, I should stop. Guys, if 6 7 should be dead, the 6 7 is a lot. Oh my god, imagine I got 6 7. Okay. What's the most expensive item? Paintbrush? Wait, what? Nah, bruh. Paintbrush is not worth it. Oh, I unlocked Mythic. Ooh. Oh. Let me buy more fuel. Fuel's the most important thing I need. Oh yeah, bruh. I need to ride this thing up. Why am I keep falling? Yes. Cut the grass off, my friend. Cut the grass. I don't feel like I'm moving any faster. I feel like I'm moving the same speed. But oh, please 300. Yes. Bro. Bro, stop. No, 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 no. Don't kill me. Don't kill. Bro, guys, what I want to ask you what happened to my face. Why my face became this? Bro, look at my face. Why my mouth is looking like that, bruh? Why? Bro, it looks like I'm like a bored kid just walking around. Bro, if Roblox should change his face, bro, that's crazy that, bro. My Roblox just changed it like that. Fuel! I am broke. I have no money, no paid. Oh my god. You know what? Comment down below. I'm the most cringiest YouTuber. I don't care. I understand. Oh, yo. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Driving to my car. Driving to my tractor. Just driving nicely. Happy to start a pack. Nah, I ain't no have Robux. Ooh. I think I could make it to yellow grass area, whatever that thing called. I think 100%. I have an 8-minute recording. Oh no, I cannot. Shit. Don't kill me, please. Not again. Please, not again, please. Okay, now I have $101. Now I can buy another stretcher. Now I'm back to $1. Nice. I'm broke. Now you will give me some more money, man. Okay, I'm gonna pause it, and then once I reach $1,000, I will show you guys. Okay, I made $7,000 off recording because I have realized that like that offline earnings, and I collected, and I have 7,000. Yes, 1,000, and I also upgrade some, and I make floor 2. Yep, as you can see. And wait a second. Can I? Yeah, wait. No way. Oh, that's what the stars are for. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay, now I'm not stuck. Okay, now let's spend it all, bruh. I don't care how much money I'm gonna spend. All I know is that I'm gonna go super far. One large wheel. Oh my. Yeah, why not? We need these. This double fuel. Veg, yep, I need veg. I saw Fulton got, and that's crazy. Okay, restock is about to be. Yep, restocked. Oh my. Wait, it's night time. Wow, pretty. Okay, let me just. Oh my. I already spent 7,000. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just pick up all. Yes, all. Now, do I have a block? Yep. Let's make a double decker block. Wait, just put like. Why not this much? Wait, let me just buy block. Why not I buy block? I'm stupid. You can call me. No, wait. I know. Make the longest tractor you ever seen in your life. 11 minutes. No, 12 minutes of recording. If you're watching that long, like and subscribe. If you're watching that long, holy, how much blocks do I have? 2 more, and that 2 more is wait. Oh, it's the max. Okay. Now, what is this? No, oh yeah, veggie. That's what I'm looking for. Now 1, 2, 3 each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 2 more. Oh yeah, 2 more will be 1 each. 1 and another 1. Yep. Now we need a strong shutter. Wait, I only have 2? Wait, no, I have more than 2. Wait, what? Wait, what? Now wait, let me just pick up these and put it into middle. Nah, I promise that I have like more than that. Wait, what? Never mind. Oh my god. This is the best thing you can ever see. Now a wheel. Common one. Yep. Another wheel. Another wheel. Wait. Doesn't this look tractor kinda susty baka? Nah, I'm not. Nah, bro. What I'm saying. Now, okay, let's just place a seat there. Glass block will be there. Now I will be seeing glass, so I'm protected. Now strong wheel. 2 strong wheel will be there. Nope. Cannot be placed like that. So 2 strong wheel will be there. Yes. Now, oh my, I'm gonna have the most fuel in this game. I'm gonna be on the leaderboard. Wait, what's the leaderboard for most catch? Million? 100 trillion? 100% hacker or owner? 100 trillion is a lot. Like, what the? Like, 100% is hacker. Wait, why is not placing? Okay, it's placing. Yo, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it almost fit perfectly. Wait. Yes. Now. Wait. Bro, I'm lagging too much. Now look at this. Holy. Took me that long. Now let's see how fast I. Bro, where I'm falling to. Oh, stars. What is this? Yo. Hey, I'm gonna collect these all stars. Oh my. My phone is burning. Oh, ow. My phone is like hot. My phone is like hot potato. 6, wait, what? Wait. How long I've been recording for you guys? Sorry if it's long. Yeah, no. Wait, what? Bro. Oh no. Oh no, wait. Uh-oh. 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 Wait, let me fix it. Oh my, I'm super lagging, guys. Sorry. I'm absolutely sorry. My phone, my phone. Trash. My phone is super trash. Oh my. Well, if you don't know what's that, it's called ghost tapping. Sounds weird, but that means my phone is expired. Yes, and I have been doing, and this is so annoying, bro, 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 bro. Why store it? Holy buckalos! Nah, bruh, nah, ain't no way. But look at my distance, bro. My phone. I, guys, do I need to buy a new phone? Huh? Do I need to have a new phone? Like, definitely, I need a new phone. Alright, bet. Cutting some grasses. Anyone say hello? Nah, bruh. Wait, do any of you are Muslims? Like, just asking. Do any of you are Muslims? Tell me, comment down below. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, look. I have. Yo, wait, what? Okay. Oh, $3,000. That's what I like to save it as. Wait. Yep, stretcher. This thing. And pee pee poo poo. Oh yeah, this one. Yep. Oh, look. Gold double fuel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is the end. This is the end. Yes. Oh hell yeah. Oh yep, we are going. Guys, tuck in. Take your popcorn, food, whenever you have food. Take your Pepsi Cola. We are going super far. Oh yeah. My tractor turned out to be. At first, my tractor looked like a baby tractor. Now, it is a Toyota Supra Ultra tractor. Doesn't it look like a tractor? Doesn't it look like a tractor, bro? It looks 100 like a tractor. cutting some grasses, having some fun. By the way, guys, I am trying to make a computer video, but I don't know how to use computer video. Like, I want to show you record of pineapple on pizza or things like that. This is so satisfying too. The game's 20 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, this is my last go. This is my last. This is my only one and last run. Then the video ends. You know, I cannot record forever. But because of you guys, because of you guys, all of you, you're the reason why I am keep moving. I am not stopping. I'm not stopping until I'm not stopping making video. It feels super good. Wait. By the way, subscribe to Fearless Gaming. He's a good he's my cousin. And also subscribe to my channel too. Bro, it's not even letting me. I have to like build like a Minecraft thing instead of like, bro, why is not letting me? Finally. Okay. What the? I'm so lagging. Ooh, look. Oh my gold one. A gold one. Oh yes. Yes. I'm strong. Now a large field. Yep. I just put it like that. And now, bro, why I'm falling? Oh yes. Yes. It looks like a submarine thing that they spy on. Do anyone know this on YouTube show? You okay? Oi. Yeah. Do anyone know this? Comment down below. You know, my dream is to be famous. Okay. Oh no, God. Wait, why my wheels aren't moving? That's weird. Okay, and boom, I'm dead. Okay. Alright guys, this will be the end now. Now I hope you enjoyed and have fun, but make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.